Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is June the 9th, 2021. Take a look. We're going to give you all a price prediction in the market for Harmony 1. It's the ticker symbol ONE, is the ticker symbol for that particular cryptocurrency. And the question from the thumbnail is, when will Harmony 1 break out? Let's see. We're going to give you all that price prediction today into the market, but first we're going to give you all the results of our last price prediction into the market in Harmony 1, which was on May the 8th, 2021. So if today's your first time ever seeing our videos and our content, you can actually see that there's finally someone out here on YouTube that is giving you predictions so that we can ensure we are in position to dominate the trap. Now, the trap is the one you see on the bottom left side of my screen. He moves the market, plain and simple. Every price bar you see, every volume bar you see is his work. It is his bidding. It is what he's done in order to create a orderly market. And if you're able to predict what he's going to do, you'll win, period. So if you want to follow us, if you want to join our community, we're here. Hit that like button, share, and subscribe here to the channel. We're not going to give you any FOMO, any FUD. We just simply worry about where this price is going to go so that we can be in position and profit. Take the bag and make bank. This is what we do. So join us. So real quick, last time I told you we did our video for Harmony 1 was back on May the 8th, and we played the weakness into the market. We told you to expect the price in Harmony 1 to go lower, and it did. It did both. Matter of fact, on May the 10th, it hit our ultimate restriction area, which was around 14 cents, and it even came and tagged our ultimate TP price, which is 11 in one day. 13.75% profitability concluded had right there. Now, some of y'all may say, well, it looked like it hit your stop loss. We don't play stop losses in the market or in exchanges. The only stop losses that we hold to is the ones that we know about and no one else. We don't place those stop losses on the exchange because the trap can see that, and he can actually take out your stop loss and then bring the market back down to where you originally intended it to go. You don't have no advantages of using stop losses in exchanges. So if you're going to have any stop losses, you need to have it only in your mind. Don't tell nobody else where your stop losses will be. And we don't. What we create on our predictions is the restriction area as to where we would expect the market to come back down, right? And that is precisely what occurred on May the 10th. So excellent call, 13.75% profitability right there. All right, so now let's take this away. So clearly, you can see what direction the market in Harmony 1 is currently going through. So at some point, the market will have to break this trend, right? At some point, this market in Harmony 1 will have to finally stop going lower and start to trade sideways, or like I told you on the thumbnail, break out. Okay, so let's see if we can try to identify a pretty good downtrend in this market for Harmony 1, because it's not a true identical movement lower. Like the market is not really following this descending line, but we can understand that, yeah, the market is trending lower. So that is pretty much it. And from these time frames, we can already dispel and see where the market support is trying to come through at in Harmony 1. And it's around 6 cents. We have 6 cents, even up there towards 8 cents as the area of support into the market in Harmony 1. Okay. So now we're in a descending triangle, right? For the most part. And let me see this. Hold that there. Okay. So now we can all expect to see this market in Harmony 1 trade within these two lines, right? We hit down here around 6 cents, came up there, hit our descending line, came back down, hit 6 cents again. So we can expect the market to do this, right? Trade within that area. Now look at where we are in relation to those two lines. We're trading towards this area of support, and currently the market is giving us some hints that it still wants to hold that for support, which is very good. Now, in our prediction, it is open to interpretation as to what is defined as a breakout, right? Because we can see the market in Harmony 1 come all the way up there towards 11 to 12 cents. And in some people's eyes, that will be a breakout, especially from us trading around 8 cents. But generally, what we're seeing into the market in Harmony 1 is not a lot of weakness. You can see it here on the weekly time frame, how the volume has been decreasing every price week in the market. That's very good in terms of allowing this market in Harmony 1 to trade sideways and then eventually reclaim some higher price movement. We need to see that. And so far we are. Very good to see that play out in Harmony 1. We're getting a probable precursor of strength right now on this 5-day time frame. And then again, look at the volume. The volume does not tell you any lies. It's not opinionated. It simply is what it is, right? And how you interpret it tells you precisely what the market is going to do. Because if the market was still weak, you would consider that people would be in the market selling, right? That increase in volume as price is decreasing tells you that people are getting out their positions. Well, you're not seeing that right now. And is it just a coincidence that the price is around support? It's not. So what we're going to do on this particular prediction in Harmony 1 is we're going to play the strength into the market, okay? Now, breakout, you have to make that determination. But we're going to play the strength here. And we got some areas of restriction that we can pay attention to in terms of seeing how high this market in Harmony 1 can go, okay? Now, we got, 7 cents as our area of support. And the first area of restriction, let me show you, it's going to be right around here, 10 cents, okay? So we would have to come through and TP out the market in Harmony 1 around 10 cents. And that's still pretty good. I mean, look at that, 13.5% profitability right there, okay? But I'm going to take it all the way up here towards 11, okay? So we got our two areas of TP, 10 cents and then 11, right? Ultimately, 11 cents gives us about 24% profitability. That's pretty good in terms of movement and percentage gains. Can't knock that. So this is what we're looking forward to. We're in position in the market in Harmony 1. We're playing the strength to the market. We have two areas of TP. The first one is 10 cents. The next one is 11. Okay. So now, looks pretty good, right? There's nothing confusing on that chart. There's no need to have technical indicators because the only thing it does is confuse you. Join us. Tell us your thoughts, your premise. Call the market with us with a comment in the comment section and tell us where do you think the price in Harmony 1 is going to go. Because if you want to win, you need to get there before the party starts. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.